Hi, in this tutorial I'll be going through the chords for the song Oceans by Hillsong United. Now before the end of this tutorial, we'll look at a very nice pattern you can play on the right hand side for this song anytime you perform it. So let's get right into it. Let's hear how the intro sounds and then we go through the breakdown together. Good. So this song is in the key of D. Okay. So the first chord in the intro is a B minor 7 chord. However, I've broken this down in a chord chart as a D chord over the B. So you're going to play the D chord like this. So this is the D major chord. I want you to play a first inversion of the D major chord. So this is the root position, and then this is the first inversion. Okay. And then you're going to play it like that and put the B on the bass. Okay, so that forms a B minor 7 chord, but it's a very nice way of playing it without going too much into the details of the theory. Okay, so this is going to be your first chord, and then your second chord is going to be another slash chord. So the A is going to be a chord, okay, and then the C sharp is just a bass or root note on the left hand side. So slash chords are flipped over, right? So you have so that's the A over the C sharp, and then you move to the D. Okay, so this is D, but I want you to play this inversion. Take the top and bring it down. Okay, the next chord is an A, okay, and then a G. Okay, now the A, this is your A chord. I want you to leave out this finger because we want this sound to come out. And for the G chord, this is your regular G chord. I want you to take that and play the first inversion of the G chord. Take the bottom note and take it up. So by the way, if you want more information on chord inversions, I have a complete beginner course, which you can find a link in the description. If you're liking this tutorial so far, do me a favor by smashing the like button, giving me a comment, and then subscribing if you've not done that already. So let's play the whole intro once more. Called me out to the war. Okay. You can find a link to the chord charts in the description, and it will send you to the downloads page on pianowithkingsley.com where you can download this for free. Okay, so let's move on to the next part of the song. That's the chorus. Okay, so the chorus is very, very beautiful. You're going to play a normal G chord. I'll play through the first bar and then you see how it sounds. So, and I will call upon your name, right? Just like that. Okay, so the G chord you're playing is regular root position G chord. With a D, I want you to play this inversion. So the first inversion of the D chord. So it's going to move from G, D to A. So the same. Leave out that, so we have that on top. So let's play the chorus together. Second line. And then watch this side. G, A, B minor. So in that part, as you see in the chord chart, it moves from a G, 3 counts, 1, 2, 3, A, B minor, and then the A over C sharp, and then D, back to the A, and then it moves to this G over the E. Okay, so that's the chord there. G over the E. Okay, it moves to okay. So that's pretty much the whole chorus. As I said, if you grab this chord chart, you'll be able to follow it quite easily. Let's move to the bridge. So the bridge sounds like this. So like yeah. So then it moves to the bridge has two parts. So the first part starts with a B minor. Spirit lead, da, 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 da. Okay, with it to the D, to the A, and then it repeats. But then the next part, when the duet comes in, now it plays this progression: G to a D. One E minor, and then there's the next part of the bridge, which also has a lot of hyped instrumentation. That sounds something that goes to a B minor to an A, then to an A, to an E minor. Okay. Perfect. Now the song is quite straightforward, so if you follow the chords in the chord chart, you'll be able to memorize it quite easily. Now what I like to champion on this channel is that whenever you learn a song, I don't want you to be stuck or be restricted to one key. So you'll see that in my chord chart, this is not something you see in most chord charts. I have the chords at the top, and with the chords at the top, you are okay to play in the key in question. So in this case, you play in the key of D. But if you don't want to be restricted to one key, then you can easily use the number system I've placed at the bottom. Okay, so for example, if we try the chorus, you will see that the G, I've noted that as the 4, because in the key of D, the G is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 to a 1, which is a D, and then to the 5 in that case. Okay, so I know that if the chorus is so, and I will call upon your name. Okay, 4, 1 to a 5. Okay, so if I'm supposed to play this in another key, for example, you find yourself in a choir and the key is too high for them, you can easily move to the key of C, for example, right? And you know that it's a 4, 1, 5. So, and I will, so, right? C sharp, right? Exactly. So this is how you break away from playing in the same key. So I'd prefer you learn the song with the number system so that you'll be able to play it in every single key. Now I stated in the beginning that in this tutorial we'll be looking at a very nice pattern we can use for the intro and the chorus as well. So this is a pattern I call the 3-1-2-1 pattern. Okay, so it's a right hand pattern. For the chords you're going to play, back to the key of D. So let's say you have the G chord, so you're going to see the notes, because most of them are triads, right? So you're going to see the notes as 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're going to play a pattern 3 1 2 1 3 1 2 1. Okay, and if you were to play the same pattern for the intro, it's going to sound like this. Okay, again. Sounds quite nice. So thank you so much for joining me in this lesson. Once again, if this is your first time here, I recommend that you subscribe and push the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos when I release them weekly. Now do me a favor, put a comment in the comment section. Tell me which of the Hillsongs is your favorite, and if you have any song that you want me to do a quick tutorial on, just put them right in the comments. I'll look at them and make a tutorial on them for you. Thank you for joining me in this lesson, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.